Look no further than the 2019 Ford Fusion. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this comfortable, stylish Fusion. Behind its sculpted good looks, you'll find a suite of smart tech and luxurious amenities to keep you feeling safe, connected, and pampered on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, brake-actuated limited-slip differential. Take control of the daily commute in smart style. This sporty Fusion is waiting, and our team is standing by to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.